So if you had that dreaded block on your Fire Stick, you might have a favourite app that you really like and it's no longer working on your Fire Stick. You might try and keep installing it and you get the triangle or the uninstall prompt and it will not work. So there's a fix for this and I'm going to show you. Well, say a fix, there's a workaround. There's something we can do so you can still watch your favourite app all the time until you find a different app that does work on your device. Before we do this though, make sure you hit that follow button and let me know in the comments where you're watching from and let's get on with this quick fix. So the option we're going to do today is going to use a setting which is built into your Fire Stick. So you're going to get your Fire Stick, let's change screens. So you're going to get on your Fire Stick, here we have it, and what you're going to do is hold down the home button. And what you will do is click on where it says mirroring, okay? Make Fire TV discoverable to nearby devices. You're going to click that. While mirroring, Alexa functionality will be temporarily disabled. To exit mirroring, enable press any button on your remote. Leave this screen open to enable guest devices to wirelessly mirror their displays. So what we're going to do is mirror your favourite app from your phone onto your device, and then you can still watch it. So there's not an issue. And if you need help on moving apps from Fire Sticks to phones to Fire Sticks, check out some of my other videos. So let's have a quick look here. So what we've got here, you will see one screen I've got my mobile phone, the other screen we have the Fire Stick. So on your phone you'll have an option. Mine is called Smart View, okay? You will have one similar, it'll be called Smart View, Cast Device, Screen Share, something like that in your option. This is on Android devices. iPhones do it, but I can't demonstrate because I don't have one. But this is for Android devices. So I'm going to click on Smart View. Okay, and what that will do, with this screen open, you will see one called, it says Chris's 6 Fire TV. I'm going to cast there. What we will find is it will disconnect my screen down here because I can't connect the two at the same time, so I can't capture that screen. That will connect for us. And while that connects, it's connecting on both screens. And there we have it. So now my TV is down there, and that's my phone. If I turn it sideways, we have a full screen, and you can play whatever you want to. If you wanted to, you can click to cast only, so you can still use your phone. You can scroll through and try and, like I always say, obviously this is just YouTube. If you were to be obviously on a streaming app, you can select what you want. Obviously, we can't show you a streaming app on here, but that's just how it is. So you can click on something. I don't know. Let's have a look here. What we've got here. There's many Doomsday trailers out. These are all not the actual ones. Click on it, and there you have it. Let's just mute that, and it's on my phone, but it's also on the screen. And you can do that with any film or streaming app because you're actually casting your whole screen, not just casting the app. But you can select so you can still watch your phone. That is one option we can use. The other options, obviously, as always, is making sure you are still looking for different streaming apps, because where some streaming apps get blocked, other streaming apps come out. So go looking for other streaming apps which work, then install them. If you need a good downloader code, check out my videos, or my downloader code is 75726. Check it out there. But if you've got your favourite app on your phone, there's nothing stopping you just sending that signal to your TV. Brilliant. So I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you for watching. Real quick one today, and I'll see you on the next one.